Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports with the launch of that new 23 Outlander. We've got some new accessories. I wanted to show you the integrated heated grips and thumb throttle combo. Part number 715005072. So the great thing about this, they look really good. It's a very simple installation. You've got a one push button here, and it integrates into the dash. So when I change the temperature, it's going to change over on this side. So right now it's on off, and as I continue to push the button, you'll see those gauges continue to go up, showing me the level of heat. Again, if I want to turn it off, just push the button again and it goes back to off. So very cool. Again, push the button, it continues to raise the temperature. Does it on the thumb as well, and yes, you can go in and tailor the temperatures to be different on the hand grip versus the thumb. Very cool accessory. Very comfortable grip. Great job, Can-Am.